been letting fucking air out of them too. Okay, hold on, let me find out.
Let's find out in this section.
Less around. What's going on, guys? Back here with another video. We're with the boys, Ryan and Frank. Yes, sir. We back with another video, y'all. Yo, shut up, Frank. I'm trying to film, homie. Come on now you're messing up the video. Let's get it. Nah, y'all want to see a dead body? What, no. Back to the video, dude. Don't mind this guy. Look at him. Don't do
In the
drugs,
boonies.
kids. Do not do drugs. You end up in bushes like that. Stop it. Let's get up back to the video. Anyways, enough of that. Number one, VVT. It's a very key ingredient on this motor. You want to keep that fresh. Signs of it coming out. You hear a slight ticking sound, like mostly like when you cold start it, you'll hear it. It's like it'll sound like your high pressure fuel pump, but it's really this. And then when you go to like redo it and install a new VVT, you'll see on the top of your valve cover it'll be like a engraving of where the chain was smacking because of how loose your chain was. So I've personal reason because I've done it myself and I've actually looked and there's actually a groove. So definitely replace those. All right, so it's number one. Number two, you want to do your valves. So you want to do valve cleaning. You can either take it to someone or do it yourself. I had a buddy of mine, Marcus. You guys probably seen him in the recent videos I've posted. He's helped me pretty much learn this whole motor. But anyways, on to number three, your fuel system, which would be your high pressure fuel pump, the internals, and your injectors. So if you have the E30 tune, which I've had previously, the longer you run that, it actually clogs and dirties up your high pressure fuel pump and as well with your injectors. So over time you'll notice like a misfire, and at idle your car will maybe like pop randomly, like loud. It's probably your injectors are dirty. So definitely you want to keep those clean. With that said, spark plugs. Make sure your spark plugs are always fresh and gapped appropriately with what your tuner has asked you to gap them to. And that can range from like, I think like 0.24 to 0.26. What is up with this guy? Get it together. Like, what are you doing?
I'm just watching.
Yeah, you better be watching. You're going to be walking home. So I thought.
So
Never mind him. With that said, what else we got? Check drug valve, VT, injectors. Make sure oil level is always not low. Do not run this engine low on low oil at all. You'll regret it later. Those top tips that I've noticed while owning this car and maintenance in it. Updates with this. We got the rims coming in. Check these out. These guys are going off. They're done. Take them, so throw them off. I'm gonna go with the new ones. I'm still waiting on tires for the new ones, and you guys will see that. And you guys are probably wondering about this, huh? Yeah, it's bad. This is gonna get fixed too and repaired, and it's gonna get wrapped. You guys will see that coming too, video on that as well. And pretty much, oh yeah, and the new tune, it's coming. Waiting on the base map, but other than that, we should have a lot of content coming for this. So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Yeah, I don't know why I ran. I just had to. So anyways, bye. Next one. Peace. I'm out.